Tommy Kissinger with Go Bearded. Great to be with you today. We're just going to take you through a simple routine of applying heat to the beard. Just got a shower a little while ago. Today was not a wash day for the beard. Just rinsed it with water, and then I did use the conditioner downshift from Beard Octane. Some very pleasant smelling stuff. Makes the beard very manageable, very workable to be able to slide or glide the comb through it after that. So one of the very important things that you want to do, though, before you apply heat is you want to put beard oil in at least 5 minutes before. Put it in, let it sit for 5 minutes. So I used the Fabricator beard oil, once again from Beard Octane. Some killer smelling stuff, smells great, has a vanilla smell to it with some notes of oak in it. So the beard oil's been sitting for 5 minutes. We're going to apply the heat to the beard. We're going to use the blow dryer. And you want to, on your blow dryer, you want to have it on your middle setting, not on the really hot one or not on the really cool one. You want to have it on the middle setting. And when you turn it on, you're going to have it on the middle setting on that as well. So we're going to apply heat to the beard now because it's looking all wonky, looking all over the place. And we're going to just tighten everything up, straighten it out. Just move it across the face like that. Keep it up. You don't want to apply the heat directly on to the hairs too much. It's starting to straighten everything out. Tightening everything up. Pulling everything in a downward direction. So after that, we're going to hit the cool button on the blow dryer, which just makes everything shrink and compact and come in, tightening everything up. So there you have it. After that, just put a little extra styling on it. Got everything tightened up, looking good. There you have it. Go Tigers and go Bearded.